Alright guys, so today's video is about how to connect any Chinese smartwatch to phone. So if you don't know the name of the smartwatch, just follow this procedure and you are going to connect any Chinese smartwatch you have right there. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. Alright, the first thing to do here is to switch on your smartwatch and switch on your Bluetooth, data and location of your smartphone. Now let's switch on our data, our Bluetooth and our location. Once you have switched on these three, the next thing to do here is to go to the about setting of your smartwatch. Most Chinese smartwatches have this QR code that you can use. Okay, so like here now, I'm going to show you. As you can see, I have my own QR code on my smartwatch. Just check around, you are going to see the QR code right inside the smartwatch. And now I'm going to launch my QR code scanner here. So I'm using my QR code. If you don't have one on your smartphone, then you need to download one from Google Play Store. Now I'm going to put it there. As you can see, it shows my recommended application. So I'm going to tap on that and download the app. Once I download the app, I'm going to install it on the phone and sync it up with a smartwatch. And now it has referred us to the Fitpro app download. Because I'm using an Android, so I'm going to select Google Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, then you select this Apple App Store. And if you have issue with your Google Play Store, then you can download the one from server download China only. So let's select the Google Play Store and it's going to take us to our Google Play Store and we are going to download our app. All right, so let's install it. Now we have our Fitpro app on our smartphone. Next thing is to connect your app. So let's launch our Fitpro app first. So you launch the app and it's going to bring it up like this. As you can see, a dialog box here that just showed device disconnected. So it's going to alert us when it is connected. The next thing to do is to give permission to the app that you just downloaded, which is Fitpro app. So let's give it access to our device location. And once you have done that, if there's any further permission, you need to just grant it. Now let's connect it. Let's make sure our smartwatch is on. Okay, as you can see. Now we have to go to this set option down here. Select set on the dashboard. And you can see we have device disconnected showing up here. Then the next thing to do here is to select bind device to experience more features. Select that and it's going to scan for every smartwatch within your locality or within your place. Now we can see our watch is here, T55. This is T55 smartwatch here. So you select it. If you don't know the name of the smartwatch, then you just have to go to the about. Just as I've said before, go to the about. You are going to see it right in your about and you can use that to sync it up. Now you can see my watch has been connected. Here you see Bluetooth pairing. Select got it. And right on my smartwatch, you can see this Bluetooth connection here showing on it. Okay, that shows it is connected. Now let's confirm if our watch is truly connected by using the find option here. As you can see, our watch is ringing. That shows it is truly connected. If you want to use your smartwatch that you have just connected to your smartphone to receiving WhatsApp messages, all you have to do is to go to this settings here and select message push option here. And make sure you toggle on all this. Like WhatsApp here, as you can see, it is toggle on. If you want to receive call reminder, that is call on your smartwatch, then you should toggle this call reminder on and allow it to access your contact, allow you to make call, allow you to access your phone call logs, and it's going to commit, as you can see it here. Then set successfully is the next thing. Now you do the same thing to SMS and other social media apps that you want it to receive. Let's toggle that on, allow. It is committing, set successfully. Then if you want any other one like Facebook, select allow for that and grant notification access. All right, as you can see Fitpro here, grant notification access to Fitpro app, then allow once again. Then you can now go back, and once you have done that, toggle it on once again. and it's going to set successfully, as you can see. Now toggle on for Twitter if you want Twitter messages and line messages and any one that you want. Now let's check out some other ones like Instagram. Okay, once you have done that, you are going to be receiving messages on your smartwatch and call notification. The next thing to do here, let's use our watch to receive WhatsApp message. Now I'm going to launch my WhatsApp. All right, I'm going to send hello, have you subscribed? All right, so let's see, we are going to receive it here on our smartwatch also. Our WhatsApp, I've just launched the WhatsApp. As you can see, it shows have you subscribed, and on the smartwatch you can see it shows have you subscribed. So that is how to connect any Chinese smartwatch to phone. If you have any issue or any question, please let me know down there in the comment section. I'm Babatunde Omotayo. Peace.